What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Adrian the Barber, and I'm back getting ready to shoot out a whole bunch of great content to you guys. I'll be releasing videos now every Monday and Thursday, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I release content. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this beard video. It's a perfect beard shape up. I'm not gonna talk over this one. I'm gonna let you guys just watch. Got any questions, hit me up in the comments, follow me on IG. If you don't know what my absence has been, it's because I moved down to Dallas. I opened up a new shop and just life in general was crazy. And so I just wanted to get settled in. I got the shop up and running. Everything's going smooth now. So now I'm back to YouTube. Again, starting next week, I'll be shooting out the hair replacement videos. But I got a lot of great content that I've recorded and I'm ready to shoot out to you guys and help you guys learn any way I possibly can. Again, follow me on IG. You see my information, boom, right down here. But let's go ahead and get into this video. See you at the end.